Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to fix screen color on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Galaxy phone and open the Settings applications. This is your central hub for managing everything on your phone, including connections, apps, sound, notifications, and display settings. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Display. Here, look for the Eye Comfort Shield option. This feature reduces blue light but can sometimes alter your screen colors. Make sure to disable it if it's turned on. Step 3. Go back to the main settings page and open the Modes and Routines menu. Check that options like Sleep Mode or other automated routines are disabled, as they can change screen color based on time or conditions. Step 4. Next, back the settings page, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then open the Vision Enhancements menu. Step 5. In this menu, you'll see options like High Contrast Themes, Color Inversion, and Solar Correction. Make sure all of these options are turned off, as they can alter your screen's color display. Step 6. After that, go back to the settings page and open General Management. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Step 7. Choose Reset All Settings, then confirm by entering your phone password. Tap Reset, and your phone will automatically restore all settings, including display color, back to default. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.